Apple might be facing a tough road ahead. The Trump-era tariffs are back in the news, and they could hit iPhone production hard. But Apple has a plan, and it involves you choosing more expensive iPhones. Here's everything you need to know about how Apple plans to beat the tariffs, and what it means for the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. The US government has announced a massive 125% tariff on products coming from China. And guess what? China is where Apple makes most of its iPhones. Foxconn's massive factory in Shenzhen is a key part of the iPhone supply chain. While some trade nations got a temporary 90-day break from these duties, Apple isn't so lucky. If this goes through, Apple might have no choice but to raise iPhone prices. But there's another way. Apple might not raise prices across the board. Instead, it could push buyers toward higher storage versions of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Why? Because these models bring in 10 to 15% more profit per unit. By promoting the more expensive variants, Apple could increase profit margins without raising base prices. It's a smart move during a financially sensitive time. Still, Apple lost about $640 billion in market value in just 3 days after the tariff news. So, the pressure is real. Apple is also increasing iPhone production in India. Right now, India can produce around 30 to 40 million iPhones per year. But to fully replace China's role? That could take 6 to 12 months. And the current tariff break is only 90 days. So, while India is part of the long-term plan, it won't solve the short-term problem. While all this is happening behind the scenes, fans are going wild over iPhone 17 leaks. YouTuber Unbox Therapy recently showed off clones of the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. And they look surprisingly close to the real deal. One major change: the camera. Instead of the usual square camera bump, iPhone 17 Pro might have a horizontal camera bar across the top. Inside, it still keeps the triangular lens layout, but now spread along the bar. Flash, LiDAR, and microphones are all moving to the right side of this bar. And yes, the camera bar will likely match the phone's color, not just be black. After using titanium in the iPhone 15 Pro models, Apple is going back to aluminum for most iPhone 17 models. Why? It's lighter and better for the environment. Apple wants all its products to be carbon neutral by 2030. Only the iPhone 17 Air is expected to keep the titanium frame. Leaks show that the iPhone 17 Pro will have a metal and glass back instead of a full glass panel. This allows MagSafe and wireless charging while keeping the structure strong and light. Also, a new vapor chamber cooling system is coming. That means cooler phones, better gaming, and faster charging. Section 7. iPhone 17 Pro, other rumored upgrades. Here's what else to expect. A new Apple-made Wi-Fi chip. 12 gigabytes of RAM. A 24 MP front camera. A 48 MP telephoto camera. Dual video recording in the camera app. All great upgrades, but not game changers for everyone. Some renders of the iPhone 17 Pro have caused a stir online. Fans didn't like the two-tone design with a black camera bar on a silver body. But Bloomberg's Mark Gurman says not to worry. The final version will likely have a clean, single-color look. He also says the front of the iPhone 17 Pro will look similar to the iPhone 16 Pro. So don't expect a full makeover yet. Apple is planning a bigger redesign for the iPhone 20 to celebrate 20 years of the iPhone. That phone may have even more glass, and maybe, finally, no ports at all. The rumored iPhone 17 Air, which could be the thinnest iPhone ever, might preview that future. So, Apple's got a clever plan to fight back against rising tariffs. It's pushing premium models, shifting production, and introducing smart design changes. But the real redesign, that might come with iPhone 20. Until then, iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most unique iPhones we've seen in years. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Apple updates.